Hello guys, this is your Pinoy Derolay. Hindi tayo nakagawa ng episode natin kahapon. So bali magdo-double session tayo today. So this will be our 23rd and 24th session of January 2026. Okay? So ang target natin for the day is 6% instead of just 3%. Stop loss is 30% instead of 15%. So let's bet now. Second and third dozen, tig 10 pesos. Balik current amount natin is 385 pesos. Pag na-reach natin ang 410, stop na tayo. Pag natalo tayo ng 30% less, which is 269 pesos, mag-i-stop din tayo. Okay? Sana maaga-aga tayo matapos today. So there you go! OAC Pinoy Daily Relay talaga. So 395 pesos. So 10 pesos ulit. Ay, 410 ang target natin guys, ha? 410 pesos. Again, itatalo meron tayong way to run it back, okay? But fortunately, we won. So 5 pesos na lang hinabol natin. Buenas tayo guys, kahit maulan dito sa Isabela. Okay, meron pa rin sipon si Pinoy Daily Relay guys. Okay. Sana gumaling na. By the way guys, just to let you know, itong bahay ko nandito sa, ang paligid ko ay bukirin. Kaya mapapansin nyo may mga tunog ng traktor, ganyan, nasa tabi ng daan. Yun! Panalo tayo ulit guys. So 410 na tayo. Stop na tayo. Again, always remember, madali manalo, mahirap huminto, kaya huwag maging greedy. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.